Welcome again to our aft cabin. You already know this place from replacing our mattress, and now we're here because we figured out this would be a good spot for the batteries, because underneath the bed there is a lot of space where we will add our lithium banks, and we'll do it in a way that they're maybe not above the waterline but high up, so they're not at the deepest point of the boat, that in the very worst case scenario, if we have water in the boat, we still have power for a while before they short circuit. So the space under the bed where the batteries should go even fits Kira's.
3 times.
Righty, oh, second day. And the bed is out. So we're basically homeless now. Or bedless. Look at all that space. It's amazing.
Well, you could do bunk beds here and then 4 people could sleep in a cabin.
Yeah, yeah, for sure. No, we're constructing the battery compartment.
Okay, anyway.
This
So
thing
you
needs to go.
One thing out.
Alright, this is actually the first look below this. So the bilge looks fine. There's 2 paint spots because there was a hole in the paint. I can see it from here. Yeah, but I mean,
It looks super nice, actually.
I'm feeling very sporty and very fancy because I'm wearing different shoes today. Looks cool. Yeah, I'm feeling posh.
Ooh.
Normally I'm wearing steel cap boots because I just got them from, I still have them from former jobs.
Well done, Screw! Look at that, a beauty!
How in the 7 whatevers. So we take this wall, I know this wall.
Yeah, I know this wall too.
But I know that to take out this wall, you have to take out a floor somewhere over there. So this screw is gonna get ripped out. Talk about overkill. For that tiny screw, I got the big crowbar. One of the fun parts of buying an old boat is that there are several layers of modifications and features that you just don't know what they're for. And we're actually forward of the bed because the bed ends here and we're here. This is the area where the fun stuff happens. For example, this thing here comes out, which is our steering. Comes via a drive shaft. This thing comes out, which is the exhaust pipe. Then we have a vent for this diesel tank, which is not connected. That is 150 liter of extra diesel down there. We have filling pipes, feeding pipes, return pipes from different tanks, mystery cable passes. And now the best thing of all that I've saved for last. So I'm not 100% sure why this was built. I'm not even 10% sure why this was built. I have a suspicion which could be, but right now this definitely serves absolutely no purpose. So we're forward. This is engine room and we're looking up. So this is behind the cupboard in the bedroom. And you see this pipe up here. And if you look through this pipe, you're in the engine room. So we have a pipe going from the bedroom to the engine room. Why? It might have been an old heating system or something like that. But right now, this just causes noise and fumes, exhaust fumes in the bedroom, so it needs to go. And we're using closed cell PU foam. I know, it's not the style and so, but this is the way how we're gonna do it now. This is great. Now I can even see it a bit better. Right now, absolutely nothing's happening. Why? 360-degree action. Maybe not so careful, but a proper push. Like a proper... Maybe. Let's give it a go. Ah, yeah, there. Is there something coming? No? Hello. Oh. How much will it expand more? Will it expand more? Yeah, I think that is enough. That's it. Wait, quick, paper. What is more? If I say a lot, 2 is not a lot.
You go more.
This doesn't work at all.
Why?
It just drips out?
No.
Yeah? It's not filled anymore.
There's no foam.
The foam somehow collapsed.
Yeah.
And it's now oozing out. But it's only filled half now.
Yeah.
Well, in the end we just sprayed in a bit more of that foam and hoped it expanded enough. So next on the list was to recycle some old materials to create a new stable rack for our batteries.
So now come the fun holes to drill.
Sorry.
Now comes the fun stuff to drill. And that is in here. It's again acrobatic. That's always on the boat. It's easy actually, but then it's on a boat. And it's in the weirdest positions. That makes boat work so much fun.
Hey, you sound sarcastic.
Oh, I am.
Oh. Clean shirt today, looking professional.
Perfecto. Super cool. Rätt den där.
Det är ett brett
eins. Passar det?
Ja, mega gut.
Nu.
Doch. So Kira is trying if this wood is enough for 60 kilo of batteries, even though Kira is less.
I'd say it's way enough.
Doesn't budge.
No.
The small one?
Yeah, I'm wondering about that one. No. Little tiny bit.
Yeah, I think it's good. Good job. Well done.